Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries Prototrak Cnc / manual engine lathe, model TRAK 2460 SX, serial number 132CV462056. Machine was new in 2013 and we're gonna run it for you. Machine has 24-inch swing by 60-inch centers. You have a nice hole, 4.09 inches, CAMLOCK D18 spindle. We're running right now. 400 in the high. 750. Machine goes up to 1800 RPM in the high range. 1100 RPM. Spindle brake. We're going to do a gear shift to the low range. The low range is from 40 to 670. 100 in the low range. 250 in the low. Okay. You have a joystick for rapid. That's your Z-axis. Your X-axis. You also have hand wheels. When you move the hand wheel, you can see that the control acts as a digital readout. The digital hand wheel is the X-axis and the Z-axis. Okay. Machine also has a tailstock, which is 2-speed and a steady rest. That's the quick. That's the fine. Again, that's the steady rest there, and you also have a live center. There's also a 3-draw truck that goes with the machine. This machine also has constant surface speed. Hey, oh, and a Dorian tool post. Hey, thank you for watching our video.